it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share some birthday cards for the month of January. I'm late once again. I mean, what's new? These cards are for my brother and for my sister, and let me show you what I created. I took this thing off already. So my first card is for my brother, and he loves coffee. I thought this was really as masculine as I thought it would. I thought it was. So it's just papers from my stash. This paper pad is from AC Moore. It's the Love Nicole collection, coffee something, or brew, coffee brew, I think. And this is stickers from the Dollar Tree. This is from a birthday set. This is from a coffee set. And then I added some enamel dots. This is more paper, and I sort of distressed the edges of all the papers that I used. So it's really cute and simple and kind of dimensional because of the dimensional sticker I used. So my second card is this one, and I printed out a Gorgeous Girl image, and it was already colored in, so I didn't have to color her. But I love Gorgeous Girls, and this was just an easy, quick card that I could put together real quick and send off. So I added some flowers and a banner from the Dollar Tree and some gems that I added to the card itself, and also to her bow. So very simple, very cute, easy peasy card to send off to my sister. So I just want to thank everybody for stopping by today and checking out my video. I know I haven't been on much or even on lives. I've been very busy beginning of this year. I may be going back to work in a week or two. So I really won't be on as much as I'd like to be. My lives are going to be far and few, if any, because majority of my time will be while my kids are in school. So, and that's the time I usually craft. I'm hoping that I'll be crafting a little bit more in the evenings as I get home, but I don't know how I'm going to be when I do get home, so I may be exhausted. So I just want to thank everybody for sticking in with me. You know, I know I'm not on as much, but I'm hoping that I'll try to do some videos on the weekends to post during the week for you all. So thank you everybody for stopping by, and have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.